Hello everyone, I am Samiksha Kumbhare, student of B Pharmacy, 5th semester of Apollo College of Pharmacy, Anjora, Durg. Today I am giving the presentation of the topic Artemisia. So let's start the topic. Artemisia is a drug derived from the Asian plant Artemisia annua. This aromatic plant have fern-like leaves and yellow flowers. For more than 2000 years it has been used to treat fevers. It also have effective treatment for malaria. Artemisia annua is known by several other names: Qinghaosue, Qinghao, sweet wormwood, sweet anise, sweet sagwort, anvil wormwood. Artemisia annua is a plant with small yellow flowers. It contains flavonoids, essential oils, artemisinin, which is a compound that may people think as health benefits. Other name of this plant include sweet anise, sweet wormwood, and Qinghao. Synonyms are sweet anise, Qinghao, wormwood. Biological sources. This consists of Chinese traditional herb Artemisia annua Lin, family Asteraceae, and should contain not less than 0.8% of artemisinin on right basis. Morphological character. The leaves margins are not entire, the base is asymmetrical. The leaves are light green to dark green in color and strongly aromatic in smell and slight bitter in taste. Geographical sources. It is endemic to China and grows wild in Europe and America. It is cultivated in Vietnam, China, Iran, Turkey, and Australia. It is also cultivated on experimental basis in Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Karnataka. Cultivation and collection. CIMAP at Lucknow has developed uniform and high-yielding genetically improved varieties of this plant and is being cultivated for the purpose of artemisinin. It gives about 29 quintals per hectare of dry leaves and flowering top containing 0.11% of artemisinin. The yield per hectare achieved is 3.19 kg of artemisinin. Now here is a structure. Chemically it is an epoxide 1,2,4 trioxane ring. Molecular formula C15H22O5. Molecular weight 282.336 gram per mole. Melting point 156 to 157 degrees Celsius. Appearance whitish crystalline powder. Solubility soluble in organic solvent and slightly soluble in oil. Macroscopic characteristics. This shrubby, aromatic, much-branched plant grows from 2 to 4 feet in height. The growing shoots are silvery white with fine silky hairs, and the grayish-green leaves, which are from 2 to 5 inches long, are divided into small leaflets. The flower clusters, appearing from July to October, consist of numerous small, insignificant, dropping yellow heads. Source: American Medical Plants of Commercial Importance at 1930. Color grayish green. Microscopic characteristics. The most distinctive tissue elements are the very abundant T-shaped, rather thin-walled trichomes with 3 to 4 basal cells, the rather large yellowish sessile glandular trichomes with several vertical tiers of cells are also quite diagnostic. Some pollen grains presenting the characteristic of the pollen of the order Composite will generally be found. The vertical wall of the epidermal cells are wavy and sinuate, and the stomata are abundant are fairly large. Source: the microanalysis of powdered vegetable drug. Chemical constituents. The main compounds, which account for about 70% of the essential oils, appear to be camphene, beta-camphene, isoartemisia ketone, 1-camphor, beta caryophyllene, and beta pinene. Other constituents Artemisia ketone, 1,8-cyanol, camphene, hydrate, and cuminal are also found in the volatile parts of the Artemisia annua. The main non-volatile ingredients include sesquiterpenoids, flavonoids, and coumarins together with protein and steroids. Out of 7 species of Artemisia, only A. annua contains artemisinin deoxyartemisinin 1.0%. It is a cis-quiterpene lactone with an internal peroxide linkage. Artemisinic acid, artenium A and B are the other constituent of drug. Amyrine, leotolin, B-cysterol, stigmasterol are also reported in the drug. Unlike other known antimalarial, artemisinin does not contain a heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. Hence, it is a new type of structure in the group of antimalarial. It is sparingly soluble with water, while it shows decomposition in other solvents. Volatile oil 0.3 to 0.4% with artemisia alcohol, artemisia ketone, camphor, caryophyllene, and micrine are also present in the drug. Extraction and isolation method 1. Dried leaves extract with petroleum ether 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. The extract is concentrated, dried, and redissolved in chloroform, to which acetonitrile is added to PPT. The inert plant constituents such as sugar and waxes. The chromatographic fractionation of the concentrate on silica gel by elution with chloroform ethyl acetate yields the fraction of artemisinin. The fraction containing artemisinin could be crystallized from cyclohexane or 50% ethanol. Chinese plants have been reported to yield as much as 0.9% of artemisinin, but elsewhere plants yield about 0.1%. The highest content of the artemisinin is found in the leaves of the top 50 cm of the plant, and the highest yield is obtained from the leaves just before flowering. Method 2. 100 gram of fine powder was placed into an extraction thimble and extracted with 170 ml of methanol via hot Sauxhelt extraction method for 6 hours over a water bath. The extract was evaporated in vacuum. Utilization. Artemisinin shows effective antimalarial effects by its rapid blood schizonticidial activity. Its act both against chloroquine sensitive and resist P. falciparum and P. vivax malarial parasite. Also act as the potent drug for treating cerebral malaria. Estimation. TLC method 1. Stationary phase silica gel G, mobile phase petroleum ether ethyl acetate 1:2. Detecting agent. First, spray the plate with p-dimethylamino-benzaldehyde and heat at 80 degrees Celsius to produce color. The spot is quantified by densitometry at 600 nm. Second, the use of 2% vanillin H2SO4 acid produced color was measured at 560 nm. HPLC method 2. Equipment model WATERS 501, column WATERS C18, wavelength UV 260 ONM, mobile phase phosphate butter methanol 60:40, pH 7.8, flow rate 1 ml per minute, time 30 minutes. And here we come to uses. Artemisinin shows antimalarial effect by its rapid blood schizonticidial activity. The tryphocyte development is arrested and pathological consequences are not observed. It acts both against chloroquine sensitive and resistant P. falciparum, and P. vivax malarial parasites. Presently, artemisinin is the most potent drug for treating cerebral malaria. Artesunate and artemether, which are the derivatives of artemisinin, have also been found to be highly effective. Artemether has been developed by CDRI Lucknow. Artemisic acid is reported to have not only antibacterial but also cytotoxic and anti-inflammatory actions. Artemisinin have shown anti-HIV activity with an IC50 of 100 meter and EC50 of 100 meter. And here are some market preparations. I am thankful to Nilesh Banarase sir for his valuable guidance and motivation throughout the work. I am also thankful to Honorable Director sir, Principal sir and all faculty members for their encouragement. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation. Have a wonderful day.